Hello guys, today we will enable safe mode in Windows 10. As you know that safe mode in Windows 10 is not enabled by default. We have to enable it manually, and to do that press the Windows key and X key, then go to command prompt and type bcdedit space copy two small brackets current and then again forward slash and D space again, then double quotes and Windows 10 safe mode. Hit enter and you are done. Close the command prompt and once again hit Windows key and X key, and this time go to run and type msconfig, msconfig, hit enter, go to boot, highlight the Windows 10 safe mode and check the safe boot. Minimal is okay. Timeout in seconds 10, which is enough. You can change this value to like from 1 second to 1 minute or as much time you want. Apply OK and then restart your computer. So we will restart our computer, and after restarting we will see what happens. Okay, the PC is restarting. I hope it works. Great. As you can see, Windows 10 safe mode is now visible. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.